What happens when the power traditionally held by government starts to shift into the hands of tech billionaires? Enter Elon Musk, a man who's already disrupted the auto, space, and energy industries. Now he's setting his sights on something even bigger: artificial intelligence, and how it could upend the foundations of government control. Musk isn't just playing with futuristic ideas. He's talking about an AI revolution that could transfer control from federal institutions to private tech companies. Imagine a world where government agencies no longer hold the keys to the most sensitive data, where unelected executives run the algorithms that shape our daily lives. This raises a critical question. Is this the next leap in technological progress, or the beginning of a new kind of power structure, one where governments take a backseat to Silicon Valley? In this video, we'll uncover Musk's bold AI strategy, the backlash it's triggering inside Washington, and whether it signals a transformation of government or its quiet collapse. Elon Musk doesn't just want to improve the government, he wants to reinvent it. His AI vision isn't about tweaking systems, it's about replacing them. Musk envisions a future where AI automates everything from federal applications to intelligence gathering, cutting out layers of bureaucracy and replacing them with code. Supporters argue it's the efficiency we've always needed: faster processing, smarter systems, less red tape. But critics see something else: a shift in control. As AI takes over government tasks, oversight shrinks, and the influence of private tech giants grows. Insiders say Musk's plan could dramatically shrink the size of government, but that also means public services could fall under the direction of corporations rather than elected officials. Decisions once made in public view may soon be handled by a handful of engineers, behind closed doors. So is Musk ushering in a smarter, streamlined future, or laying the groundwork for a tech-powered power grab? Musk's AI ambitions sound futuristic, but they come with serious risks. To make government systems smarter, his team would need access to sensitive data, social security records, tax files, health info, and more. That's where things get murky. Currently, tools like login.gov are firewalled from personal databases, but Musk's vision would connect these silos, allowing AI to tap into protected information to automate processes. It's efficient, but potentially invasive. Privacy experts and government officials are sounding the alarm. The Privacy Act of 1974 exists to prevent exactly this kind of data sharing without clear consent. If Musk's team pushes ahead, they could be skating on thin legal ice or outright violating federal law. Even more concerning, if private companies gain control over this data, what happens to citizen privacy? Can the public trust that their most personal information won't be misused or even weaponized? Musk's vision might be innovative, but it walks a fine line between progress and surveillance. Musk's push for AI isn't just a technological shift, it's stirring up a power struggle within the government itself. For decades, agencies have operated under strict rules designed to protect citizens and maintain transparency. But with Musk's AI-driven vision, those norms are being challenged. Take the General Services Administration, GSA, for example. Under Musk's influence, the GSA has been pushing AI integration into federal systems, aiming for more efficient services, but raising concerns about job cuts, accountability, and the loss of public trust. Many federal employees worry that Musk's tech-centric approach could corporatize the government, turning it into a Silicon Valley-style operation where profit and speed trump public interest. Critics argue that Musk's push for automation risks sidelining the expertise of public sector employees, especially when it comes to sensitive areas like national security. In fact, some security experts fear Musk's associates could inadvertently or intentionally compromise classified information. As this internal battle intensifies, one question looms. Is Musk trying to streamline government for the greater good, or is he positioning his team to benefit from a shift in power? Behind Musk's push for AI and government automation, critics suggest a more calculated agenda, a quiet takeover of federal systems. It's not just about upgrading technology, it's about replacing traditional government structures with a Silicon Valley mindset. After Trump's return to office, Musk's allies quickly filled powerful roles, particularly in agencies like the Office of Personnel Management and the General Services Administration. These roles control hiring, technology, and access to sensitive data, key levers of power. The changes came fast. The U.S. Agency for International Development, USAID building, was locked down, its website taken offline, and staff suddenly cut off from email. Hours after Musk and Trump reportedly agreed to shut it down. Musk's team allegedly attempted to access classified systems, sparking alarms inside the CIA, which scrambled to protect its operations. This isn't just bureaucratic drama. It's a battle between a rising tech elite and the traditional government machine. If Musk succeeds, it could shift American democracy from public oversight to private ambition. On the surface, Musk's AI plan promises innovation, faster systems, leaner government, smarter tools. But beneath that lies a deeper question. Is this truly progress or a calculated power grab? Musk has long criticized inefficient government systems. Now, with key allies and access to federal platforms, he's poised to reshape them. The risk? Shifting power from elected officials to unelected tech elites, many from his own circle. This isn't just about AI optimizing processes. It's about who controls data, identity systems, and private information. Musk's willingness to bypass laws like the Privacy Act speaks volumes. When laws conflict with his goals, he chooses to bulldoze through. To his supporters, Musk is a visionary. To critics, he's installing a tech oligarchy, sidelining public oversight, and consolidating control. So, is this a revolution or a warning? Thanks for watching. What do you think? Is Elon Musk a visionary trying to fix the system? Or is he building a digital empire of his own? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this story shocked you, wait until you see what's coming next. Check out the video on your screen now. You won't want to miss it.